Hello everyone, welcome to Cisco Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Linux operating system password, and this method is working for any Linux operating system distros such as Kali Linux, Parrot Security OS, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, and you can use this method to reset your password if you forget your password. So let's get started. First, what we have to do is restart our computer. After restarting the computer, select Advanced Options for Linux. Now press the letter E. Press these commands, and now scroll down at the line which begins by the word Linux, and at the end of the line there is a word which is RL, and we have to change the word RL, read only, to read rat, which is RW. And at that line we have to add another phrase which is in it equals to /bin/bash. And press 15. Now your computer will open on terminal and type mount -n-o remount, rw/. To change your password, type password root. Now you can write your new password and I type your new password. Password updates successfully, and if you want to change your user password, type password and your username. Then mine is SK. Then type your new password. Password updates successfully. So to close the terminal, type exec/sp/init. The terminal will be closed. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.